Thank you very much indeed for coming today. Agenda, as you can see up on the screen here. First of all, I'm going to talk a little bit about the future of marketing, from AI to Zuckerberg. I'll explain what we mean by that. And then Steve Henderson from our partner Communicator, who very kindly provided this beautiful space for today's event and helped with the catering. We'll be talking about GDPR, e-privacy and email marketing, and we're really lucky to have him because I know him through various organisations within the industry, and he's a real leading voice and thought leader in this space. Just a few bits and pieces about how we make this session as useful as possible to you guys and girls. Thank you so much for coming. I find that if it's interactive, it's always much better than just you listening to us drone on. So if you see anything on the screen that catches your eye, or if we say anything of interest, just stop us, ask questions, share your opinions as well. There's a lot of knowledge around these tables. Let's get that out. Just talking to some of you beforehand, some of you are working on some very exciting projects and technologies yourselves. Let's share that as well, and that way we'll all learn from each other. Help yourself to food, drink at the back as needed. The toilets are just next to reception. Don't feel you have to be stuck to your chair. Relax, be comfortable. The more comfortable you are, the more we're all going to get out of this event. I come from a company called Altair, and we partner with Communicator. I'll let Steve talk more about Communicator when he's up after me. Just a few words about Altair. So we've been around since 1999, helping brands with digital and retail marketing challenges. But in that time, just like many of you, we've gone through quite a few pivots, and we've done different things to adapt to the pace of change. More recently, we've done a lot of work in email, and at a certain stage, our owners, we're only a small company, about 30 people, decided that in order to scale these solutions, we would build software rather than just try and add endless people to manage these solutions. And that's what we've done. And we've got a number of pieces of software, but where we're globally recognized is in the niche of real-time hyper-personalization of content across any digital channel. So we've done it a lot in email, and that's our heritage. That's where most of our big brand clients come from. But in fact, now we can roll that capability out across any digital channel where there's a data point that we can identify and analyze. So programmatic advertising, social media, digital out-of-home signage, and so on.